Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and today we're diving into the art of Stoic living by exploring how to handle life's discomforts with grace and resilience. Our theme today is inspired by a profound teaching from Epictetus in his Enchiridion, specifically day 55. Let's unlock the wisdom contained in this thought-provoking reflection on the real source of harm. Epictetus says, "Remember that it is not the one who argues or hits that hurts, but the opinion about these things as if they cause harm. So every time someone irritates you, know that it is your opinion that has led to your irritation. Therefore, try first of all not to be swayed by your own impressions. You will easily manage yourself once you give yourself time to pause." This teaching hits at the very core of Stoic philosophy. It is not external events that disturb us, but our interpretations of those events. Consider this. When a billionaire loses $1 million due to market fluctuations, it impacts them differently than it would impact you or me. For a billionaire, this might be a minor blip. For someone else, it could be catastrophic. The point here lies in how we interpret and label the events around us. Let's go deeper. Criticism from a known adversary feels quite different than criticism from a loved one, doesn't it? The source changes the weight we give to the words, but ultimately, it's our reaction that magnifies or diminishes their impact. If you receive a nasty email but choose not to read it, does it really affect you? Not at all. The negativity only exists if you allow it into your mind and grant it the power to disturb your peace. Epictetus teaches us that our emotions are reactions to our thoughts about events, not the events themselves. When we feel anger or irritation, it's a result of our own judgments and perceptions. If we believe we've been wronged, our emotions will follow suit. Imagine two different scenarios. The same harsh comment delivered to you on a good day versus a bad day. Your response will likely vary greatly. On a good day, you might laugh it off, but on a bad day, that comment could ruin your mood. The event remains constant, but your interpretation and reaction change. So, what's the takeaway here? Reflect on how often we label things as good or bad immediately and affect our peace of mind. To master ourselves, we need to pause and assess our impressions before reacting. Why not refuse to label things right now? By maintaining our composure, we give ourselves the freedom to navigate life without unnecessary turbulence. This is where the real strength lies, in the ability to choose our reactions deliberately instead of letting our impulses dictate our response. Instead of seeing challenges as threats, view them as opportunities to practice patience and resilience. Now, let's put this into action with a practical Stoic challenge. Over the next week, whenever you feel irritated or angry, take a moment to pause. Ask yourself, is it the event or my perception of the event that's causing me distress? Try not to be swayed by your immediate impressions and give yourself time to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. This practice not only cultivates inner calm, but also enhances our emotional resilience. By training ourselves to manage our thoughts and reactions, we become less vulnerable to external disruptions and more attuned to maintaining our inner tranquility. Friends, embracing this Stoic principle can profoundly transform our daily lives. It's about acknowledging the power we hold over our own minds and using that power to foster serenity and strength. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of Stoic exploration. Remember, it's not about the external events, but our internal processing of them. Let's strive to cultivate a mindset that sees beyond immediate impressions, thereby fostering a life of peace and resilience. Until next time, stay Stoic and take control of your inner world.